Every year sa school na ito, may dumadating na bagong batch. At ang pinakaunang pagkakamali na napapansin ko is that they project a fake version rather than being themselves. Welcome back! Pagdating sa high school, I believe na dito mo makikilala kung sino ka ba talaga.
Yan. So, madidescribe ko yung high school sa tatlong salita na nagsisimula sa letter F. Yung una ay formative, pangalawa ay fundamental, at pangatlo is, yun, syempre, fun. Yan. So, una, fundamental, yan, kailangan. Kailangan kasi lahat kailangan dumaan sa pagiging high school. Tapos, pangalawa, formative, yan. Diyan mabubuo yung pagkatao ninyo. At syempre, yung panghuli is yung fun yan. High school is for enjoying. Ayan.
Nung unang dating ko sa high school na ito, pinilit ko sarili ko na magsalita sa wikang Ingles. Kasi yun yung ginagamit ng mga kaklase ko eh. So, I acted according to other people's desire. I liked what they liked, and I did what they told me to do. If I could go back in time and change something, this is one of the first things that I would change. Because being genuine at the start of a relationship is ideal. When it comes to true relationships and real friends, being true to yourself and not putting up fronts is one of the first things that you should do. Because if you show them your true self, then they may also show who they really are. Be yourself. Talk about your interests and be natural. Others may judge you for this, but everyone needs to learn to ignore this. You may make mistakes along the way, but picking yourself up and becoming a better person afterwards is much better than keeping your real self locked up.
Sa mga upcoming high school students, tsaka yung mga current students, ang best tip na mabibigay ko is to focus on yourself. Instead of comparing yourself to other people or being too competitive with your grades and whatnot, it's better to focus on yourself and make yourself your best competitor in a sense. Kasi that's one way you can healthily improve din. Kasi minsan, pag nakafocus ka sa ibang tao, nawawala yung path mo, yung sight of your own goals.